changing your batteries in your smoke alarms. Smoke alarms generally have a 9-volt battery in them, but some of them that you'll see coming out also have AA batteries in them. It's important that you're changing those batteries twice a year, and it's real easy to do that. Different smoke alarms put their batteries in different places. I know in my home that they're hardwired, and the place for the battery is actually right on the front of the smoke alarm, so you don't even have to take it down off the ceiling. You just walk up or get up high enough where you can see it, and there's a little button, and you just push it, and the little door opens, and you can slip your battery right in there. Lots of smoke alarms, the batteries are actually located on the back, so you open a little door that's on the back of the smoke alarm, and you're able to change the batteries through that. It's very important that you make sure the batteries are in the right direction, and that once you get the batteries in and you close it and you remount it to either your wall or your ceiling, that you test it by pushing that button. Lots of people just change their batteries, put it back on the wall, and then they never test it, and they haven't made sure that their batteries are in correctly. There are also smoke alarms out there on the market now that have a 10-year lithium battery in them. And these are great smoke alarms because you never have to change the batteries in them. Smoke alarms are good for 10 years. After 10 years, whether they're hardwired or whether they're just mounted on your ceiling or wall, they need to be replaced, because manufacturers will only guarantee them for 10 years. So you want to put your smoke alarm up, you've got a lithium battery in it, the only maintenance you have to do is test it once a month, which takes a lot of that time and energy out of it. You are going to find that the lithium smoke alarms cost a little bit more when you see them out there on the market, but if you think about changing the batteries twice a year for 10 years and the amount of money it costs for batteries for 10 years, you really are saving money with your 10-year lithium battery smoke alarm.